Good afternoon, this is Jeremy here at Strongman Structures in Vanceboro, and I am working on a little bit bigger workspace here. And we get asked a lot here if our buildings that we sell are vented or how they're vented, and they are, and I'll show you a couple ways that we vent them. So the first, most obvious, is you can have windows. Alright, if you don't want windows or you don't have any windows, we do have a little breather vent right here. That's a small little 3-inch vent. And then this whole ridge is a vent ridge. So all of our buildings have metal roofing with a metal vent ridge right over the ridge. And as you can see, we put black tar paper over the peak, and the vent ridge covers all that up. So what I do is I take a utility knife and I go up there and I cut that tar paper out. You can see I cut a small piece of the tar paper out right down the center, and I'll just demonstrate to you how easy it is. And that's really the best way to vent it, because as the hot air moves up, we know heat rises, so it goes here to the center, goes along the roof, goes to the center, and then that's opened up in the center there, it will vent that right out. So let me show you. I'm just going to go up here and I'm going to start my cut right here. Just take it all the way down, cut another one, and I just do it right in the center. You don't need to do the whole thing. There's no point in doing the whole thing. And then just take your knife and cut that out of there. You'll see some daylight up there, but see, there's a metal ridge cap covering that whole thing, so you will not get rain in there. And some people worry about birds, but that is screwed down so tight up there that it would take a mighty fine bird to get up there, and I don't think I've ever seen that happen on one of these, that a bird will get up into that ridge vent. So it's the same type of ridge vent that they use on houses. So it's pretty safe. If it's safe for a house, it's got to be safe for a storage shed, right? So anyhow, I'm turning this into a workspace here. As you can see, I'm insulating it, put electric in it, put R15 in the walls. This pink, this Owen Corning's pink next gen fiberglass is really cool, easy to work with. It makes nice clean cuts, you can see here. Nice clean cuts with your utility knife. And so yeah, that's how we vent out our buildings, and it is plenty sufficient. And you can always, of course, open up a window if you have a window in it. I do like a window because you can leave it cracked open, and it kind of helps breathe a little bit if you don't have a ridge vent, or you don't open that ridge vent up. But all of our buildings are metal roofs, so they all have ridge vents. All right, thanks for checking us out. We are located in downtown Vanceboro, and we sell portable storage buildings, storage sheds, barns. Check us out at strongmanstructures.com. We have a huge selection of buildings, really cool buildings. A lot of people buy our buildings and make hobby shops out of them, sewing sheds, she sheds, mechanic shops. Just great way to have an outdoor building on your property, and that you can always sell or move or take with you. So check us out, strongmanstructures.com, or go to downtown Vanceboro, big old town of Vanceboro. You can't miss us. We're right across from Wells Fargo Bank. Check out all the buildings we have. strongmanstructures.com, or visit us in downtown Vanceboro. Thanks guys, have a good day. My name is Jeremy.